Mr. Roundtree is an excellent businessman all the way around. And that's what impressed me, and that's why we're in REI 90. Thank you, Mr. Roundtree.
Man. So, last thing before I let you go, what do you say to somebody who's sitting on that fence? They hear all of this great information, but they're already discounting themselves, telling themselves they can't afford it before they even see the value of it. What would you say to somebody who's on that financial trauma of telling themselves, oh, I can't afford it?
Well, what I would say to them is this. The money that I've spent with you, King Will, it was a small amount compared to what I've gotten back. I've paid much more for a lot less. And Mr. Roundtree teaches everyone that is in the program how to operate as a business, not a hustle, not a scam, a business. And that's what Mr. Roundtree has done. And all you have to do is just take that step. And once you do, once you've had the best, you'll never go back.